Alright, what up, y'all? So, I got a new toy. I guess I might as well show you how it runs now. It was not running. It was, the idle air control valve had fallen off on the way back, so it was either wide open throttle or no throttle at all. So, you know, for an hour I was just wah, coasting down. Wah, coasting down. Wah, coasting down. You already know. So, here's how she runs as is. I put the idle air control valve back on. Not gonna do that for too long because I think the head gasket's leaking. So without further ado, this is the new project. Actually looks better on camera. But it's been rattle canned with some like plasti dip teal or something, I don't even know. What I gotta do today, because I couldn't get the TPS, because you can't see it because it's too dark, but I couldn't get the TPS calibrated because there's a bolt there snapped off in the side where one of the bolts goes. So we're gonna install that throttle body. After we get that installed, we gotta calibrate it, which is basically just you take a multimeter on the leads, and at no throttle it should be 0.5 volts with the accessory on, and at full throttle it should be about 4.5 volts. Nothing too difficult, but it's just about minute movements and adjustments. So we'll get that on there now, and hopefully she'll be idled down and running back to normal. After that, I still don't know if I should drive it because, like I said, she's got a pretty nasty leak. It's coolant coming out of nowhere. I replaced, look at how many hoses, 1, 2, 3. I've replaced 3 coolant hoses so far. That's my air filter. It didn't even have a fucking air filter, so definitely a project, but she's coming along. We got TJ.
So,
what up?
not much. We're going to Waffle.
Going to Waffle?
Yeah, we just got back from Sunset. Yeah.
I thought it was supposed to be a big deal this week.
I don't know what the big deal was. I'll catch you later.
All right, man. Be safe. That's a lot of RTV. All clean. All clean, all clean. Gasket time. Okay, so just using my drill light, but there we go. There's the new one. Okie dokie, so we got the throttle cable hooked up, coolant lines, everything's plugged in. Time to see what she do. Can't kick any of that. Alrighty. That's a lot lower than it's ever idled before. But you notice when I put my finger in the hole for the idle air control valve, it goes down even lower. Check this out. So I'm just gonna plug that hole. Just like that, it's idle and normal. So I need a idle air control valve for sure. Good. See if I can see where my leak's coming from. Everywhere. Good to know. Alrighty. And there she is. So that's the new project car. You guys probably can't see me. So that's the new project car. Oh. There you have it. She's not at $4,000 anymore. She's still idle and high, but at least now I know what to replace. Idle air control valve's gone bad, so whatever.
So the only thing I gotta do is take out.
Explain to me how you blew it up.
Just doing a mean wicked pull on 34 pounds, and
I thought you said 38.
it was like 34, 38 pounds.
So-
It was flexing.
Well, yeah,
So it was
peaking.
probably 34 consistent, and then
Yeah.
38 pounds is what you were peaking at.
But
right?
basically, this man's been doing a lot of work over here, getting her ready. And he said he's painting that shit. So don't even worry about it.
Need to get that car out and drive it.
Yeah, you did actually. You drive that all the time.
All right, what's up? What we got to do? What is this? What is
Oh my
going
god, I
on
was
here?
reaching for the other.
We got a ginger
Oh my
behind the
God.
fucking
Yeah, that's
Subaru.
fucking annoying, ain't it?
No way.
What?
It stays on the whole
That's
time
ignorant.
too.
Oh, I know.
It doesn't get
You know what's
quieter
funny? What
or
I figured out
softer
about the Evo?
or slower.
So it beeps at you if the driver doesn't have their seatbelt fastened. If the passenger doesn't, it doesn't give a fuck. It doesn't beep. It's only the driver's seat. So the minute you could be sitting in the passenger seat with the passenger seatbelt
Well,
unbuckled.
shit, I like that because I throw shit in my passenger seat, like boxes and whatever.
Well, see, this is oversensitive, so I can set my phone down on the seat, and it will think there's a passenger, and it will beep at me. So I just.
Yeah, put some underglow on that Cobalt. All right, fellas, what are we doing? What was the solution?
We're straight piping cars.
We're not straight piping nothing. It's already straight pipe. We're about to chop the mother truck.
About to go open at the downpipe. I feel like
Bring
this.
that light over here so I can see.
Well, I need it for the camera.
Oh, sorry.
Which is more important right now?
Look, yeah.
You gonna show them how to do it?
Oh yeah, she's ready to party.
Oh yeah.
Here, fool.
Load her up.
I hope it doesn't die.
It's okay. I got battery. Oh, it's big. We put that big battery on it.
Oh, you do have a Craftsman.
Let's do it.
I mean,
let's put the big battery on it.
you want to put this one on the charge?
That 20 volt, baby.
No, because I got like 4 of these batteries. Not a lot of room.
Does that open it all?
There's not a lot of room.
I'm gonna have to jack it up a little higher.
I think this is what we're gonna have to do. Is like this.
Go up? Go upwards?
Yeah.
You want to go downwards?
Yeah,
Nah,
you don't want to be cutting shit. You don't want to
We'll just take the fucking floorboard out. Yeah, we're gonna have to fucking jack this thing up.
Yeah. Let's just jack it up higher.
Yeah.
Oh, Ree's not gonna be happy. This thing broke.
What broke?
This little bracelet thing she bought me.
Oh my god.
Jesus.
Look, she's a sensitive young lady.
That's on camera. That's. Well, watch where you go from there, bud.
We just have to edit that out. Yeah, you definitely didn't just say she was a raging bitch.
And cut.
Yeah.
Raging.
Jack stand. How's the jack stand look?
Oh, this side's probably got 2 or 3 clicks up to go. That side just barely lifted off.
Is it?
Okay.
These aren't Harbor Freight jack stands, are they?
We went 3 clicks on this side.
That should be enough.
Yeah,
Alright,
but it's gonna be tilted.
That's fine.
All right. You don't want to go click that one up at least one? Ryan,
Yeah.
go click that up if you can. Fuck it.
We want the car to drop.
We want the car to be safe. Honestly, you could just leave it on the fucking
Jack.
yeah. We got the stand to catch it.
Hold on. Oh, you're about through that bitch. You burnt that fucking blade off.
Speed at this point. Ryan, put your foot on the back of the exhaust and push up on it.
Alright.
Look at the oil coming out of it.
That oil, dude.
I'm gonna let it down so I can get back in there. Or no, that.
Should open it up more. Lifting it up like that should open it up more.
Just go from the bottom.
Yeah, there you go. That's why. I can't get on it. You gotta go at the right angle too. You
God damn, dude.
diagonal.
I know. I can't get in there.
You done fucked up
There
the
it
bottom
is.
part. Yeah.
There it is.
Pop go to weasel. Look at the oil.
Yeah. That's pretty bad.
No, it's good for the core. What are you talking about?
Dude, cylinder number 2 had like 30 pressure.
30 compression.
Yeah. 30 psi in that cylinder. Dude, that's cylinder 3, literally, in the exhaust. It's pretty sick, huh?
That valve's just
Dude, that's how you
straight
know you're
open.
boosted. Get it? Because it's broken.
I think the ring land just said see ya.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Just rings just said bye bye.
Yeah.
Oh
And I think the piston's like Fuck.
just sheared to fucking hell.
Yeah.
Probably. We're both over boosting it that much. I wouldn't doubt it. All right, well, let's let this fucking jack stands back. 1, 2, 3. And it's right there. How many clicks up are you over there? How many teeth you see?
Well, just here. I need it to be a little higher anyway.
Yeah.
Just let it down. Whatever it comes down on that side, I don't really care.
I'll fix it later. All right, grab your phone. So we got the second exhaust cut of the day.
I had one. Yeah, I can weld, but I don't have a welder, so. I had one metal coat hanger left. It's about to be loud as fuck.
Oh, so they're set. All right, am I set in post too?
I have no clue yet, for real. Why do you not want to?
No, I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. It's really not that loud.
Sounds pretty good.
What the fuck?
Drill a hole in the header.
Yeah, it kind of does.
It does sound like a Honda.